love you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. The reason why I took helium is because I'm poor. So happy birthday to you. This is free.
You better be
Okay, so.
And you have to give it to me.
Helium gets me really high, so after this it's gonna be kind of crazy.
Here.
I've never allowed helium.
Cut that kid! Cut that kid! Cut.
Don't come at me.
Are you running out of breath there?
Do you guys like small pieces or big
I like baked faces. You know, Natasha, you know I like them big.
It's okay with chocolate, right?
Chocolate? Are you really asking me if I like chocolate?
You make me sound racist.
Birthday to you. You know what you want to say? You know what I'm saying?
Alice in Wonderland!
Exactly!
I don't know what I'm doing. Sing
Yeah.
the
Let's
song
do it together.
from Wizard of Oz. Little Munchkin singing.
We
represent
three.
the lovely... Yeah, those people. That's so cute.
Well, they're kind of small, but you know what? Everybody can get to.
We represent
The lollipop guild.
the lollipop guild. Okay.
Or there, just say. Who would like cake? Who
The
wants cake?
lollipop guild.
Who wants cake?
I would love some
Wait,
cake.
can
I want to see it change. I want to hear my voice change. It's going. I'm back to Moria. It's gone.
You're back to Mario?
I'm in.
Can you laugh? Can you laugh in the voice, please? Laugh with
Which
the
laugh?
helium.
What
Laugh
laugh?
with the helium. Just laugh.
Just laugh. Okay.
Just laugh. I want to hear you laugh.
Wait, I gotta make the hole bigger. No! You're going okay.
I really need to. I just want to hear her laugh.
Wait. I need to make a new hole.
You need to laugh too. So how do we make you laugh?
Wait, no.
Do your Woody Woodpecker laugh.
She's gonna die here. Watch.
Where's my Woody picker? No, it's gone. No, come back.
Wait. Are you
Jack, come
Yeah, I know. So I thought